The DGCA has confirmed that the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has lost his life in this crash. There have been 0 survivors from this crash that is being reported from Maharashtra's Baramati. Tanushka, has the DGCA specified the cause of this crash? What happened? What went wrong?
Right, Parmeshwar, we are awaiting these details at this point from the DGCA, but from what it looks like from the visuals that we've also seen is that there was an emergency landing that this flight was making, and at that point in time is when this crash happened. Of course, further details are to come in from the DGCA and the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau as well. We're expecting these details in a while in terms of, the timing, in terms of what exactly happened, how many moments was it after the takeoff, and what was going on within the flight and the cockpit as well. All of these details we will get to you shortly.
Right. Tanushka, do stay on with us as I recap for our viewers. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has now officially confirmed that Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has died in this aircraft crash during landing at Baramati Airport. There are no survivors being reported by the DGCA at this point as far as this accident is concerned. Supriya Sule, we are told, meanwhile, and Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra are rushing to Baramati from New Delhi. Radhika Ramaswamy and Abhishek Avasthi also tracking the latest. Radhika, we're given to understand Ajit Pawar's wife and Supriya Sule have left for Baramati as these emergency and security agencies responded at the site, and the DGCA has confirmed that Ajit Pawar is no more.